Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you're watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on the analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this solely to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. So let's start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in the monthly time frame here. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures behaved during the last few months when the natural gas futures tested a high at the levels of $10.005 on August 23rd, and here you can see that how the natural gas futures started to move downward after facing a stiff resistance at the levels of $9.874 during the month of September, and we have seen this slide to continue during the month of October up to the lows of $4.706. No doubt that a sharp pullback was there during this month, and here you can see that how we have seen a sharp pullback from the lows of $4.706 during the month of October. But here you can see that how the natural gas futures finally closed the month of October at the lows of 6.3, where we have seen an extremely volatile move during the first four trading sessions of this month, where the natural gas futures have tested a low at the lows of 5.620 and a high at the lows of 6.510. So here during this month you can see that how the natural gas futures have found stiff resistance here at the lows of 6.510, what we have tested during the month of October 2021, from where the natural gas futures started a downward move that continued to drag down the natural gas futures during the next 2 months. And finally, in December 2021, the natural gas futures tested a low at the levels of 3.587. So friends, here I find that the resistance at the levels of 6.516 looks evident enough for keeping downward pressure on the natural gas futures that may push the natural gas futures once again up to the levels of $5.397, and here a bit down well below this immediate support could keep this downward move to test the new lows at the levels of $4.754. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures are not able to find a breakout well above the immediate resistance at the levels of 6.588 during the upcoming week, we'll see a downward move to continue during the rest of the month, where the immediate support will be seen at the 26 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of 6.121, and here a breakdown will continue to push the natural gas futures well below the next support at the levels of 5.683, and here I find that if the natural gas futures are not able to defend this second support, we'll see this downward trend to continue during the whole month of December that could result in a sharp downward move up to the levels of 4.7. So friends, here I find that the overall trend could remain extremely volatile as the price swings could remain extremely high during the upcoming week. The opening level of the upcoming week will finally decide the further direction move of the natural gas futures. So friends, now let's check this move in a weekly time frame. So here in a weekly time frame, here you can see that how the natural gas futures found stiff resistance at the levels of 7.132 during the last week of September 2022, and from here the natural gas futures faced this resistance once again at the same levels that resulted in continuation of this downward move up to the mid of October 2022, when the natural gas futures tested a low at the levels of 4.920, and once again the natural gas futures tested a low at the levels of 4.721 during the last week. Undoubtedly, there was a sharp pullback during the last week of October that continued during the first week of November, when the natural gas futures finally tested a high at the levels of 6.510 and finally closed this week at the levels of 6.4. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures start the upcoming week well above the level of the 6.510, we'll see this upward trend to continue, where the next resistance can be seen at the levels of the 6.818, and the second resistance will be the level of the 7.203, and the final resistance will be at the level of the 7.417. So friends, here I find that any upward move above the levels of the 7.203 will attract bears to go short from here. As here you can see that the formation of a bearish crossover in a weekly time frame looks evident enough to keep the selling spree on the higher side, where I find that a sharp sell-off can be seen from these levels, and once again the natural futures could test the lows of the 6.361 during the upcoming week. Undoubtedly there could be a pullback from the levels of the 6.361, but here a big down well below this level could drag down the natural futures to test new lows during the upcoming week, where the next target could be the levels of the 5.734. And here find that if the natural futures are not able to defend this second support, we'll see this downward move to continue during the rest of the month, where the natural futures could retest the levels of the 4.7, from where we can expect a sharp bounce back. So any downward move well below the rest of the 4.735 will provide a good opportunity to go long, from where a sharp pullback is expected that could push the natural futures once again up to the levels of the 6.2 during the upcoming week. So friends, here the volatility could go extremely higher. So friends, now let's check this move in a daily time frame. So here in a daily time frame, here you can see that still the 200 days moving average looks evident enough to provide a stiff resistance. In case of an upward move, we will find a stiff resistance at the levels of the 6.841, where the 200 days moving average in a daily chart will provide a stiff resistance, from where a sharp sell-off could start any time if the natural futures try to cross this immediate resistance. We will find this level to provide a stiff resistance. Friends, here you can see that how the natural futures continue to struggle from October 10th, and finally the natural futures started to move downward on October 14th, and this downward move continued to push the natural futures to test the lows of the 4.754. So here I find that if the natural futures are not able to find a breakout well above the immediate resistance at the levels of the 6.842, we'll see this downward trend to continue. So friends, here I find that the 200 days moving average is still a tough challenge for the natural gas bulls, where I find that this will provide a stiff resistance to natural gas futures. In case of any upward move up to here, will provide a good opportunity to go short well from the levels of $6.861, and here I find that a sharp sell-off could start anytime if the natural gas futures try to test this level. We see a sharp downward move that could push the natural gas futures well back to the levels of the 6.4. So friends, here in the daily time frame I find that the immediate support for the natural gas futures will be at the levels of the 5.969, where the 26 days moving average will provide good support to natural gas futures, but a big down well below this immediate support could push the natural gas futures to remain under selling pressure, where the second support can be seen at the levels of the 5.747, and here I find that if the natural futures are not able to defend this second support, we'll see this downward trend to continue, where the target of the bears could be the levels of the 4.7 for the upcoming week. So friends, here I find that any upward move well above the levels of the 7.182 will provide a good opportunity to go short. Friends, here I find that if the natural futures are not able to find a structural move well above the 200 days moving average in the daily time frame, we will see an exhaustion to continue during the rest of the week. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.